I just know that it definitely has the potential to pump up the legitimacy of cryptocurrency, right? And the value of cryptocurrency and the sustainability of cryptocurrency. So I don't have enough expertise to kind of follow through with all the rest of that stuff, but I do know that them passing the SEC, passing those particular ETFs to come through, it's going to change quite a bit moving forward.
There was a crypto, or I think it was a Bitcoin ETF that was announced like 5 years ago. Did anything ever come of that? Did it get started and shut down? What happened?
To my knowledge, it didn't exist 5 years ago. Now, granted, I don't know, but to my knowledge, whatever they were trying to run years and years ago never happened. So this is the first of its kind. Of course, BlackRock was first to the table, which I'm not sure, because the rumor was that everyone was going to get approved at the same time, which is really what was going to cause the big push, but not everyone got approved. But I only read very briefly this morning, so I don't know if like Kathy's just got approved yet or what's happening with the other ones that were petitioned, because it is not the only one. There's some Ethereum, I'm pretty sure I said that right. There's quite a few other ones coming to the table, and supposedly the Bitcoin was going to be one that was approved as a basket for all of these different hedge funds and firms, but that's not how it happened, and that alone. So think about that much fluctuation, that much funds pushed into it. Of course it will explode. Of course. No way around that. I'm very intrigued and I'm excited. Of course, my crypto wallets are up, but I don't store a lot of crypto. I have a crap ton of altcoins, like a ton of altcoins. But as it stayed still and then kept dropping, I stopped dollar cost averaging into most of them. The only one I still kind of am investing in monthly is ICP. And that's because I made this commitment. I did a lot of research on it. It was okay. I'm going to give this, the 5-10 years that they say, and just see as an experiment.